So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can block program in Firewall in Windows 11. So first of all, press Windows key on your keyboard. Now here search for Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Now here click on Outbound Rules. Now select New Rule. Now from here select Program. Click Next. Now here you have to set program path. For example, I want to block Valorant. For this press Windows key. Now type Valorant. Now click on Open File Location. Now here right click and click on Copy as Path. Now open Windows Defender. Paste the path here. Now here click on Next. Now from here select Block the connection. Click on Next again and click on Next again. Now click on Finish. And once you do this, this will block program in Firewall in Windows 11. In a similar way, you can block any program. So this can block program in Firewall in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.